Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V30 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset, or actually force restart operation, will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So all we have to do is to press the power button and the volume down button together and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So this is the same combination of keys which you're using to make a screenshot, so the manual option, let's say. However, we have to press them for approximately 10 seconds or even more to force restart it. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons. Of course, we've made a screenshot, but no worries, simply ignore it and keep pressing those buttons. Keep pressing, even though nothing's happening, just keep pressing. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign, so keep pressing. Okay, I felt the vibration, we can see the developer's logo, which means that we can release the fingers and our device will be restarted in a second. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.